Hi guys, this is Dr. Rajratna Thangavel here. This is about my classes, the ROCK session, Rajratna's Ophthalmology Conceptual Knowledge session. So 3 days of Ophthal class, what are you going to get? So from fear to fun. So how do we move from fear to fun? What are your fearful topics in ophthalmology? Number 1, refraction, isn't it? Number 2, neuro-ophthal. You dread neuro-ophthal. Number 3, retina. That is fundus. That's something really scary. And number 4, squint. That's absolutely scary business. So it's going to be fun, out and out fun. You won't even realize when you've learnt all these topics. Trust me with that. So first day we will be covering refraction so that psychologically you overcome that fear and you'll want to come for the second day of the class. So second day we will do neuro-ophthal. And third day we will do our famous fundus walk. Okay, we'll do the fundus walk and also finish off with squint among other topics. Ma'am, is it possible to cover all the topics? I mean, it's like 13 to 14 topics in ophthalmology. Yes, it's very much possible because you don't have to write so much of notes. Most of the notes is what I have written for you. So you will be given this ROCKS workbook, right? So this ROCKS workbook is a handwritten one by me. So you can see, all of you know that I have a good handwriting. So I've written it all in my own handwriting and it's all in color. Yes, completely in color, in beautiful, very high quality paper. So nothing will fade, nothing will smudge. Whatever you write will not smudge, and you will just fill in the blanks. You don't have to write much. Most of the writing has been done by me, and as you can see, all your images, all your IBQs are covered in the workbook. So it's kind of a 180-page book. Yes, and apart from this, yes, you can always take some of your extra notes. You can always take it. So this book will be given to you. So most of it, your time you spend in active listening and understanding the concepts as I explain, and in between you can fill in those blanks. Thereby you don't sleep in the class, and as well you love filling in the workbook. So it's absolute fun, guys. And then what next? Yeah, you're done with the class, but still you want to go back and revise, because sometimes, yes, in class you may have a little bit daydreamt, or you may have thought about someone during the class, or you must have thought about your future and you lost track in the class, maybe 5-10 minutes, acceptable. You can go back and still watch my video lectures. So you get 3 weeks free access to the iMentor Dr. Rajratna app. So that does not mean you come to my class and sleep. Yes, you listen, but yes, you can go back and revise again and again, watch those video lectures again. So 3 weeks you get free access to the app as well. And in the app, we have everything covered, including previous question papers, questions that are covered during the video lectures itself. So you can watch them all, and as I always keep telling you, you will fall in love with ophthalmology without even knowing when and how. Okay, so come enjoy the class. So 3 days of class, it's going to be from 9 AM to 7 PM. So we booked the hall for 9 AM to 9 PM. So the posters will tell you 9 AM to 9 PM. Don't worry. It'll be till whenever you and I are fresh, and we will have adequate breaks in between so that we have quality learning throughout the 3 days. And there is a coupon code that I'm sharing with you. You can use that coupon code, and there is a QR code which you just have to scan to register for the class. So register as early as possible so that it's easier on my mind to plan how many people are going to attend. And I'm looking forward to make a bond with you for a lifetime. So thank you, guys.